African Rainbow Minerals is previously known as Anglovaal Mining. Its executive chairman and controlling shareholder is none other than Mr. Patrice Motsepe. The group has a price-to-earnings ratio of 14.8, a dividend yield of 2.4%, and a market cap of 43 billion rand. African Rainbow Minerals, is this your perfect diversified?
Well, the Hersov and Menel families built up Anglovaal Mining. They got half of the iron ore deposit next door to Sishen out there in the day. The other half belongs to Assor, but we're not talking about them today. That's a fantastic asset. So at current
we're not talking about them today, though.
Looking good, because that's the main revenue stay of African Rainbow Minerals. Yes, they own 20% of Harmony. You can imagine how much that's worth, not much. They also own some platinum interests, some coal interests, bits and pieces here and there. But really, I mean, the iron ore assets have been good. I expect them to remain good. It's a strong earnings. They've got manganese in there as well. I like it, and I like the team, and I think they could continue to do well.
Is this the BHP bulletin of the future?
It potentially is. It's got a lot of South African link, which puts it at considerable country risk or currency risk as well. What is important is the fact that it's got a very nice industrial slant, and that's the same theme that we saw with BHP Bulletin. It has potential to grow the precious metals business, and that, I suppose, is more a function of other people's doing so, if Harmony does better or if some of the other interests perform well. For now, it seems that the upside potential on this is also linked to South African labour concerns. But because I am in favour of industrial metals worldwide and I see continued growth, I think that ARM is probably one that you want to keep in the portfolio.
Do you believe it'll be the BHP bulletin of the future?
I think that's a bit of a stretch. I mean, bulletin is ginormous compared to this one, and you know, you need to get the tide right.
It didn't start out ginormous, did it?
No, that's true. But they started with BHP in Australia, you know, I don't know, 350 years ago or something. But look, Patrice has got another couple of wealth. There's Nkomati Nickel, which is a nice asset, just there on the edge of the escarpment in the eastern parts of Mpumalanga. That's a plus. New management, remember Andre Wilkins is retired. I think his name is Mike Schmidt, the new CEO, well regarded. So they've got some nice assets. The market tends to ignore them a little bit between reporting periods because they're that much smaller than the others. But in the right environment, they could continue to do well.
Hot or not on Levan?
Hot.
Hot or not, Paul?
Like the iron ore price outlook, so yes, hot.